In this tutorial, we'll explore two useful nodes recently added to the training builder: Set Fly Mode and Set Speed Mode. These features were previously only available through the VR menu, but now you can integrate them directly into your VR experience using the training builder, giving you more control and flexibility over how users navigate the scene. For this example, we'll build a VR experience where the user can explore a large real estate city by flying like a drone. When the user clicks the drone mode button, it activates both the Set Fly Mode and Set Speed Mode nodes. This allows the user to switch from normal walking to fast, free flight mode, perfect for quickly navigating and observing a wide area. This setup is useful in scenarios like architectural reviews or city planning presentations where users need a high-level view of the entire space. Now let's begin. First, open your project in SimLab Composer, then, place the drone model above the user, then from the Interaction section, click Add User Gadgets, switch to the Adjacent Object tab, select the drone model, and click the plus button to attach it to the user. After attaching it as an adjacent object, hide the drone model at the start of the experience. This setup gives the user a drone's perspective when flying. Then, create a VR camera from the 360 image section and place it up in the sky, where you want the user to start when switching to drone mode. Then, open the training builder, then from the event section, add a node triggered event and attach it to the scene node the user will click to activate drone mode. Then, go to Responses section, then User, and add the Teleport to Camera node. Attach this node to the VR camera and connect it to the triggered event so the user teleports there when activating drone mode. Then, right-click to open the search window, then go to Responses, then User, then Set Mode, and select Set Speed Mode. In the mode input, you can choose between walk, jog, or run to control how fast the user moves. For this example, we set the mode to run to give the user a fast movement speed while flying through the city. Then, right-click to open the search window, then go to Responses, then User, then Set Mode, and select Set Fly Mode. In the Fly Mode node, set the value to True to enable flying when the user clicks the button. This node includes a user input. By default it targets the host only, but if you connect this input to the user output from the triggered event, it will apply fly mode specifically to the user who clicked the button. Then, from the main Responses section, add the Show Hide node, then attach it to the drone model, and set the value to True to make it visible. This ensures the drone becomes visible when drone mode is activated. Now let's test it.